Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get two very sleek braids on your natural hair. So starting off, I'm just going to keep that section away because I don't want it to disturb me at all. I'm spraying my hair with some water to make it more manageable, and because I have low porosity hair, I literally have to massage the water into my hair. If not, it will just sit on top. Now I'm going to be detangling my hair. You want your hair to be fully detangled for this style. If not, you're going to have a lot of problems while you're braiding. I'm going to be taking some shine and jam, and I'm just going to be applying this in sections between this part of my hair that I'm about to braid. Now I always say this, but the easiest way to get a sleek look on your natural hair is to do it in sections, because imagine me just putting this shine and jam on the very top of my hair. The middle section will still be puffy, and at the end of the day I wouldn't get a flat look. But doing it in sections just helps you to get a really flat look, and if you have time you can definitely do smaller sections than I did. Now to begin braiding my hair, I'm just going to take 3 pieces of hair and I'm just going to start my braid. If you do not know how to braid, I'd suggest you slow down this video and definitely practice on yourself as well. You'll be very surprised at what you can do. But I'm pretty much just taking the 3 pieces and I'm just going to continue braiding down the entire section of my hair, and I'm just trying to make sure that I pick very tiny pieces of hair at a time so that it doesn't become too overwhelming for me. You guys know our hair is really thick, so if you're grabbing large pieces of hair at a time, you're going to struggle with braiding. So definitely try to grab smaller pieces at a time. As you can see, my hair is very flat and it has that sheen. That's what I love the most about the shine and jam. It doesn't leave any crunch or any flakes. It just makes your hair look very shiny and it leaves your hair very moisturized. So I really love that shine and jam. So now that I'm done with that side, I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other side. I also went ahead and did the sections, and you can also see that my braid is turning out pretty flat on this side as well. Now I'll be taking this edge control from Idia's collection, and I actually really like it. It has a lot of hold and it dries very quickly, and it doesn't leave any white residue or any flaking. Well, so far since I've been using it, I haven't noticed any white residues or any flaking with the product, so I really enjoy it. And I personally love to do my edges, so I'm just going to go ahead and style them until they look the way I want them to. After I'm done styling my edges, I'm going to take some of that edge control and just rub it over the top of my hair, because the shine and jam doesn't really have a lot of hold, just to make sure my hair stays in place. And I'm going to bobby pin my ends in to make this an actual protective style, and then I'll let it set while I do my makeup. And now I'm going to add some gold safety pins. This hairstyle was inspired by Yara and I really loved it. And this is pretty much the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and please don't forget to subscribe and share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.